Unboxing again, and this time it's a set for Kawasaki CX-10R for year model of 2021-2023. This is a hub system set. Ito yung stainless clamp to, clip on clamp. Natin po sa inyo ito muna. Nga pala, this was delivered by DHL. Yan, DHL. Just today. And again, this is supposed to be delivered sana sa client's address, but it was declared na remote area, so I don't have a choice to send it to my address para hindi naman charge ng remote area charge fee, kasi pagka gano'n additional 2,000 or 2,500 yun eh. So for me, ito after this short unboxing, delivered naman, diretso delivery naman to through LBC sa client's address. So ayan, as you can see, it's a handmade set, full real titanium, then comes with a real carbon na Toray Japan, yung carbon nya, yung harap. Ito, the full set is made of full real titanium hub system set. So since it's handmade, ganyang kapulido yung yari niya, especially no, yung mga welding connection niya. Ayan, even dun sa build and bracket, maganda. So yan ang handmade works, full real titanium. Meron kasi mga set na non-handmade eh, hindi ganito kaganda yun sa kapulido. Ayan, again, this is a set for Kawasaki CX-10R 21 to 23 year model. It's a hub system set. This is also titanium blue, so naka blue burn siya as requested by client. Meron din kasi isang model na plain titanium lang, hindi siya naka blue burn. So this one is titanium blue, we call the titanium blue, and wrapped with carbon na Toray Japan. Meron din kasi non-carbon wrap din, titanium lang yung plain niya, yung ano niya, Encan titanium, plain titanium. Medyo mas mahal to ng konti kasi naka blue burn. Actually halos same price lang. So for some inquiries about this model, PM nyo lang ako dyan sa page ko sa FB and dito sa YouTube, pwede rin naman if you want to order this kind of exhaust. So ang ganda yan. Meron din ako yung pang old model na 2020 year model, 2020 below sa CX-10R. Yan, ganda. Okay, it's just a quick unboxing kasi tomorrow gabi na kasi. It's just a quick unboxing since it's already night. Tomorrow na ito makapaship sa client to LBC. Naman na ito. So yan, naka-ready na yan yung office ng client. So yung umorder, PM lang kayo, assist ko naman kayo sa chat. May sticker nga pala dito yan, nandun sa loob ng box. Sticker dito, sticker ang gamit niya syempre since naka-carbon wrap ito kapag yung plain lang, hindi carbon, ang madalas nilalagay actually usually yung naka laser printed like that, ganyan. Syempre sticker kakalas lang so yan, that's it.